This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Scrap wood is often ignored, thrown away, or burned, yet it holds hidden financial potential for anyone willing to see value where others see waste. Small pieces of leftover wood can be transformed into unique, practical products that sell fast and generate real profit. When creativity meets discipline, scrap wood becomes more than leftovers, it becomes a reliable source of income. In this narration, we explore how unique small projects made from scrap wood can be turned into cash and built into long-term profit. Scrap wood projects are financially powerful because they start with almost zero material cost. Offcuts, leftover planks, broken boards, and unused pieces from previous projects are often seen as useless, but in reality, they are raw material weight. When material cost is low, the profit margin naturally increases. This allows makers to experiment freely, take creative risks, and still protect their income. Scrap wood removes the fear of wasting expensive material and replaces it with opportunity. One reason scrap wood projects sell well is their uniqueness. No two pieces of scrap wood are exactly the same. Variations in grain, color, texture, and wear create character that mass-produced products cannot copy. Customers often appreciate this individuality. A small item made from reclaimed or scrap wood feels authentic and special, which increases perceived value. What was once considered waste becomes a story customers are proud to own. Small projects are ideal for scrap wood because they require limited material. Items such as key holders, candle holders, phone stands, wall hooks, desk organizers, picture frames, and small shelves can be made entirely from scraps. These products solve everyday problems, making them easy to sell. When an item is both useful and unique, buyers are more willing to pay for it, even if the size is small. Speed is another advantage. Scrap wood projects can be produced quickly because they are simple in scale. Faster production means more items available for sale in less time. This speed allows makers to test multiple ideas, learn what sells best, and focus on profitable designs. Quick turnaround supports cash flow, which is building momentum and confidence. Scrap wood also encourages creativity within limits. Working with irregular shapes and sizes pushes makers to think differently. Instead of forcing material into a fixed design, the design adapts to the material. This natural process often leads to innovative products that stand out in the market. Customers are drawn to designs that feel organic and thoughtful rather than overly perfect. Another key factor is sustainability. Many buyers today care about where products come from and how they are made. Scrap wood projects align perfectly with eco-conscious values. Using leftover wood reduces waste and supports responsible consumption. When customers know a product was created from reclaimed material, they often value it more. Sustainability becomes a selling point that strengthens demand. Scrap wood projects are also ideal for beginners. They allow skill development without financial pressure. Mistakes become lessons rather than losses. As skills improve, quality increases, and products become more refined. This gradual growth supports long-term profitability. Over time, small improvements in sanding, finishing, and joinery significantly raise product value without increasing cost. Pricing scrap wood products requires confidence. Some makers hesitate to price fairly because the material was cheap or free. However, customers pay for skill and usefulness, not raw material cost. A well-finished scrap wood item that improves daily life deserves proper value. Respecting one's work is essential for turning scrap into real cash. Scrap wood projects also benefit from batch production. Similar pieces can be grouped by size or function and produced together. This increases efficiency and reduces setup time. Even when each piece looks slightly different, the process remains consistent. This balance between uniqueness and repetition is ideal for profit. Selling scrap wood products is relatively easy because of their size and story. They photograph well, ship easily, and attract attention at markets. Customers enjoy hearing that an item was made from leftover wood and transformed into something useful. This story creates emotional connection, which increases sales and repeat customers. Over time, scrap wood projects can form a stable income stream. When a maker identifies a few strong designs that sell consistently, production becomes predictable. What started as waste turns into a system. Each piece of scrap wood gains purpose, and each finished product contributes to income growth. Long-term profit comes from focus. Makers who chase too many ideas struggle to build momentum. Scrap wood success comes from selecting a small number of profitable projects and refining them. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds cash flow. Small projects repeated well outperform large projects made occasionally. Scrap wood also supports diversification. A maker can combine scrap projects with larger builds and leftovers efficiently. This maximizes material usage and increases overall profit. Nothing goes to waste, and every piece contributes value. Emotionally, turning scrap into cash is empowering. It changes how a maker sees materials, effort, and opportunity. What once felt insignificant becomes meaningful. This mindset fuels creativity, patience, and long-term commitment. Financial growth follows naturally when mindset aligns with purpose. Ultimately, scrap wood projects prove that income does not depend on expensive resources. It depends on perspective, discipline, and creativity. Waste becomes value when skill and intention are applied. Each small project is a reminder that profit can be built from what others ignore. Scrap wood projects succeed in the market because they combine low cost with high creativity. Leftover wood pieces that seem useless at first can become valuable products when shaped with purpose. Customers today are attracted to handmade items that feel natural, simple, and practical, and scrap wood fits perfectly into this demand. Small items sell faster than large furniture because they are affordable and easy to use. Products such as wall-mounted key holders, phone stands, pen holders, spice racks, candle holders, and small stools require only a few pieces of wood but offer good profit margins. With clean finishing, even the smallest offcuts can look premium and professional. Another reason these projects actually sell is their eco-friendly nature. Many buyers like knowing that the product was made from recycled materials. This story adds value and helps your work stand out in local markets and online shops. When you explain that the item was created from leftover wood, customers often feel they are supporting both creativity and sustainability. Scrap wood also allows faster production. Because the pieces are small, you can make many items in a short time, which means quicker sales and steady cash flow. This is especially helpful for beginners who want to test designs without risking much money. In the long term, working with scrap wood builds skill, confidence, and business discipline. What starts as leftovers slowly turns into experience, loyal customers, and reliable income, proving that real profit often begins with what others throw away. Scrap wood to cash is not just a clever idea, it is a practical path to real profit. When waste is transformed into useful, well-designed products, creativity becomes income and sustainability becomes strength. Small projects, repeated with care and consistency, can build steady cash flow and long-term success. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.